anigo Ambiya Nure Ibrahim oo daraska la Burundiga oo mahad celinayna siyan biyo oo macaanke marka jirgaan siyan marka laba nasiyanba oo laba ninkii hal hela oo biyaha macaanka oo qays oo qays oo saqiir kabir ninkii ilaahay uu ku jirar ijra ninku alla ugu soo qaad
askarigu waxaan diidaa ma taqaana askarigu daawo soo doontaa diidaa no
We are supplying water to our neighbors' peoples. Our heavy lack of water. We supply like 40 gallons of water for them. After that, peoples are here near our position. We treat them some kind of disease. If we get some cases which is very serious, we must refer it in level 2. Today we are outside of town Kismayo. We are conducting patrol with the SNA. Our task is to secure peoples are here in town Kismayo in Jubaland. We always at morning we are conducting patrol and we are checking in the road that they are not the Al-Shabaab will not planted explosion IDs, and we must secure our town.